Hola, welcome. Welcome to another episode of the Pit, I guess. Um, First things to do. First, OBS check. Is it working? Yes, it's working. It's working, boys. Now, sorry, I haven't posted in a while, but there's one thing that makes me mad. Hardly anyone went to Area 51, and that just makes me so mad. Cause Area 51, who would not go? Who would not go to Area 51? Okay, I'm kidding. It's probably better if you go. You'll get gunned down, so don't be upset about it. I wouldn't really want anyone to get gunned down. At least like 150 people actually showed up, but like I think the creator of the joke was like, I think he said he was like planning like an alien themed event like next year at Area 51, but like not like an actual raid, because like he was joking the whole time, and he made that clear before September 20th. So also on the day of Area 51, I was in homecoming court. Don't know how. I don't have a girlfriend, nor do I want one, because I don't want a girlfriend. It's too much responsibility. I'm fat. It's too much effort. Ooh, new map. Do you think this is a different map? I don't remember this one. This should be new for me, okay? By the way, okay. Dude. Run, just run. Yeah, I'm not gonna scream that much, cause, yeah, oh yeah, also, I got a new gaming mouse. Let's see if it does the job. Yeah, let's run. No, I'm on a bed. It won't work properly, but I'll have to make a video when my parents aren't there. Because then and my brother, so it won't be all noisy. It's been a while. Also, I may be making videos of something else called Cube Crowd, because they made a game called, they got updated again, and it has my favorite game, which, the Pit's not as a good game, but it's not my favorite game. My favorite game is Missile Wars. It's a game that I die a lot in, but I'm at least okay at. I know what I must do. Dang it. Well, hello, children. I can't get him. My mouse is too overpowered. I gotta run. My mouse is overpowered, boys. Hang on, I gotta scratch my elbows. Ow. But worth it. Yeah, just scratching some elbows. I'm itchy. I was cycling, going on a bicycle, but then I got lost and I got caught in the rain, so I'm cold. Oh, no. What am I doing? The mouse is cursed. I have a gaming mouse. It's too sensitive. Maybe I should have gone for the wireless one. He's gonna kill me, isn't he? He killed me. No, let's try somewhere else. I'm actually new to this map. So, last episode I tricked the guy. They killed him, I guess. So, now I've officially lost my status as a truthful person. Officially. But, like, I was desperate. So, I'll try killing someone. But not today. I'm too scared. Let's go to the... Okay. I got him. But no, it's not worth it. There's someone else. Oh, no. Dude, I had to scratch my elbows. Dude, I forgot to put on my lotion. No! No! Dude, man. Please, can we just all be cool? Let's just be friends, okay? Dude, I'm cornered. No. Let's go under the tree. Oh, no! Let's see where else we got. Tropical, boys. Boys, we're tropical. Oh, I'm gonna go in the water. No. I wanna see if I can swim in the water, you know? Ow. The beach is supposed to be a pleasant place, boys. No. Cover. No. Zigzags. Remember, zigzags. Dude, they have the high ground. They saw me. But I want the high ground. No one's taking it from me. Not today. Dude, I think they're coming to take it. Someone's gonna snipe. Yeet! Protect me. Please be dumb. Oh, just be. No! I need to climb this tree. Please let me climb the tree. No! You make me mad, sire. Did I kill him? I killed someone. The mouse is improving my skills. Or he was already hurt. Dude, I had a premiere on killing someone, and now I killed someone fairly. How much? Dude. Okay. Level 17. No. He killed me, of course. Of course he killed me. Christmas! Spooky, scary skeletons. I eat your pizzas too. I love eating children's foods. It's very nice and too. Someone shot at me. No! I thought I could just snipe him and hit him down, but no. Dude. Quick. Dude. Don't make me mad, man. Don't. I will live. No. Hello, dear sir. I said I will live. Gold, boys. It's daytime, boys. I gotta climb. Get the high ground like that one guy I saw earlier. So where does this go? My comfy little corner. I have a gaming mouse, by the way, so I'll soon get better recording equipment on like a headphones with mouse. Dude, is anyone else coming here? That's the guy. Stay back, stay back. But get ready to run. Someone's gonna see me, but like, the fact that no one's found. Oh boy. No one's found me yet. That says a lot. Oh no. Whatever you do, Bishop, don't stop pressing shifts. They were so close. They're over there. Oh no. The guy's gonna try. They're all taking drops. Ooh, cool. No, no, no. Let me have it. Don't do this to me. I'm sorry. Stakeouts, boys. I know. I'm bored, but I wanna see how Can you just listen to the Minecraft music? Let's talk about Minecon Live. So they're bringing back Minecon as Minecraft Festival next year, and that has made me happy because Minecon is back. Like, I've always wanted to go, so I'm glad they're bringing it back. Also, I would like to say they even acknowledged Minecraft lost popularity, and I would like to say, Mojang, if you're watching this, which you're probably not, don't listen to half the plebs that are telling you they missed Minecraft, because they were the ones who left it. They were the ones who played Fortnite. I mean, I also kind of did, but I didn't play Fortnite, so ha! I never played Fortnite. I did at a friend's house, and I hated it. Huh. Yeah, everyone's like, oh, Fortnite's trash. Well, like 2 years ago, oh, they were playing it. Like, me and some other people have the rights to say it, but not that many people. Dude, this is the greatest hiding spot. What? No, no! I messed up. It's the Alexes. Why is it? The Alexes are the ones that pummel me. Hey, man. I don't care. Let me live. You all make me mad. Ooh, boots. There, he's gone. Let's go. This is... Dude, he has diamond, he has diamond. Dude, he's gonna kill me. No. No, the pets. I hit my funny bone against the computer, and now it hurts, boys. Welcome to another boring episode. I can't do this. So much pain. No. Spare me. Hey, you know, by the way, in Homecoming, you know, just kill me. It's fine. My hand hurts. So, at Homecoming Court, on the day of Homecoming Court, everyone was playing Halo, like an LAN game of this, like, emulator of an old Halo game. And, the only reason I did good at it, like, I was bad, but I was okay, but the only reason I was okay was because of experience from the pit, boys. Anyways, see you guys later.